We're going to learn 20 shuffle moves in less than 10 minutes, starting with the Charleston. Start by hopping on the balls of our feet, heels in, heels out, heels in, heels out. Single bounce, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to lift, down, lift, down, lift, and down. Now we're going to hop to the middle, cross in front. Hop to the middle, cross in front, hop to the middle, cross in front. From the side, middle, front, middle, front, middle, and front. Now a little bit quicker, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. For the reverse Charleston, we do everything the same, but in reverse. So remove from the front and take it to the back. Remove from the front, take it to the back. From the side, remove, the back. Hop, forward, hop, and forward. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. For the lifted Charleston, it is the same as the reverse, but when you step back, you pick your leg up instead. And lift, and lift, and lift, and lift, and lift. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. For the cowtail, start with the Charleston. And now, when we step in front, make a circle at the back. And lift, make a circle. And lift, make a circle. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And let's try go a little bit faster. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and. Next, we got kick and place. Nice and easy. This is done just on one side. Pivoting, kick and place. And kick and place. Kick and place. And kick and place. And kick and place. Make sure to be hopping and pivoting at the same time. Kick and play. Next up, we've got Switchblade. Starting with scissors, let's jump on one leg to balance. We're gonna step our leg across to close our body off. No weight at the front. And we're gonna switch to the side to open up. And then switch the weight, distributing it to the back leg. Open, switch, open, switch, open. A little faster, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, twist from the hips. That's it. Now you've got it. Closing scissors, we're going to start with an open position instead. All the weight is on the leg that's aligned with my body. From here, we're going to twist into a close. And now switch, twist into a close. Switch, twist into a close. Switch, twist into a close. And again, switch, 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 and switch. Just like regular scissors, but except we are going to be on the toe. Our leg cuts across in front of us and all our weight at the back. We're then going to switch and open, and switch and open, switch, open, switch, open. A little quicker, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, and open, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open, switch, open. And now we're going to close, open, switch, and close. 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 Open, switch, and switch. And lastly, traveling. So we are going to step across on the heel, pull across, and across. Lift, switching feet, step, across, and across. Walk, and walk, and walk, and walk. Twist the hips, and twist the hips. And, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Next up, the running man. Starting in first position, keeping it nice and bouncy, we're gonna hop to the middle and come down all the way through the center. To the middle, come down. Hop to the middle, come down. Bring the back leg up to the middle and down, up to the middle and down. Good, a little quicker. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. For the reverse running man, again, the weight is in the middle, and this time we're removing the leg from the front and bringing it to the back, so everything in reverse. We're gonna go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and again, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. For Shaper's running man, instead of having all the weights in the middle, it's going to be on the back leg, and we're going to have our toe lifted, heel down. Okay, bringing the back leg up, hop, and down, and hop, and down, and hop, and down. Going a little bit faster, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Diagonal running man is exactly the same as heels running man, except you're twisting your hips. So we're taking this move and we are twisting it. Remember to drag the foot to the back. Keeping all the weight on the back leg. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Wide running man is just like heels running man, except we're not taking our feet to the front, we're taking them out to the side. So this move goes out to the side instead. So we hop to the side, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And last but not least, we've got kickball change. So here we go. So we're gonna kick and bend, catch. We're hopping while we do this, so hop, 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 and hop. From the back, we're gonna kick, switch, catch, kick, switch, catch, kick, switch, catch. A little faster, kick, switch, catch, kick, switch, catch, kick, switch, catch, kick, switch, catch. Slight difference in this one, but still similar. We're gonna kick, lift, and step back. And kick, lift, and step back. Kick, lift, step. And kick, lift, step. And kick, lift, step. A little faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Similar to kick and step, we're going to kick, bend, lift, and kick, bend the knee, lift, kick, bend, lift, and kick, bend, lift. A little faster, kick, bend, lift, kick, bend, lift, and kick, bend, lift, and kick, bend, lift. This time we're kicking out, we're going to kick, bend, kick, and kick, bend, kick, kick, bend, kick, and kick, bend, kick. A little faster, kick, bend, kick, kick, bend, kick, kick, bend, kick, kick, and kick. And for the last one, keeping it nice and light and really flowy, we're going to kick and tap, and kick and tap, kick and tap, and kick and tap. A little quicker, kick and tap, kick and tap, kick and tap, kick and tap, kick and tap. And there you have it, guys, 20 shuffle moves in less than 10 minutes. So if you enjoyed this video and don't want to miss out on other ones just like it, then go ahead and click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks so much for joining me here today. Bye!